Chemical pathologists are responsible for dealing with the entire spectrum of diseases. Their work encompasses detecting changes in a number of substances in blood and body fluids, such as electrolytes, glucose, and protein, analysis of tumor biomarkers, hormones, trace metals, and both therapeutic and illicit drugs. The chemical pathology services operate round the clock 24/7 with a range of diagnostic tests for all age groups and both genders. The chemical pathology laboratory practices are divided precisely into three phases, that is the pre-analytical, analytical, and post-analytical phase. Pre-analytical phase comprises of test selection and requisition, patient identification, collection of the sample, transport, and processing. The sample reception and processing unit receives barcoded samples from inpatients as well as across the country through a network of more than 250 phlebotomy centers. The section of special chemistry performs highly sophisticated analysis based on electrophoresis, immunofixation, isoelectric focusing, and automated enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay platforms. The Biochemical Genetics Laboratory is a state-of-the-art facility that provides testing for inborn errors of metabolism. It in-houses analytical techniques such as high-performance liquid chromatography, gas chromatography mass spectrometry, and liquid chromatography tandem mass spectrometry with highly trained staff. The immunoassay bench offers analysis of enzymes, hormones, vitamins, and tumor markers and allows testing of more than 2,000 samples per day. The section of manual chemistry comprises of therapeutic drug monitoring and toxicology, provocative test, and renal and gallstone analysis using Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy technology. To further enhance and facilitate patient care, the laboratory has a point-of-care testing system operating at 30 sites in the hospital. The performance of each site is being monitored by a dedicated point-of-care testing coordinator and his team of expert scientists. Routine chemistry tests are done on laboratory automation, and this particular section is the pioneer of laboratory automation in Pakistan since its inception in 2012. It caters more than 5,000 barcoded samples per day. Continued quality assurance is an integral aspect intended to ensure the reliability of laboratory tests. Quality assurance in chemical pathology encompasses both internal quality control and external quality assessment according to the standards of Joint Commission International and College of American Pathologists that helps us deliver high quality services to healthcare. Interpreting the results requires pathologists' medical expertise, and to ensure this, the daily departmental consultation conference with participation of faculty and senior technologists brings out a comprehensive case-based discussion of challenging reports and cases before final signing off. Chemical pathologists play a key role as they regularly advise other medical specialists on result interpretation in context of clinical details available, further tests required, and treatment options for patients, and are increasingly involved in the development of diagnostic algorithms and guidelines. There are dedicated teaching and learning activities for postgraduate trainees with daily work-based assessment, evaluation, and feedback. In a nutshell, the largest part of a chemical pathologist's day is typically spent in clinical liaison. This involves advising clinicians about the appropriate tests for the investigation of a particular clinical problem, the interpretation of results and follow-up, and the effect of interferences, example by therapeutic drugs, on test results. The working day also has a large component devoted to the validation and interpretation of test results, particularly for unusually abnormal results or more uncommon and highly specialized tests.